Before you add any fluid to the brake reservoir, the first thing you need to do is look at the cap. At the top it will say what type of fluid you need to use. It will say use only .3 or .4 brake fluid. Next you need to remove the cap, put it away, and pay close attention to the minimum mark. In this case it's right down here, and the maximum mark on the brake fluid reservoir. Now as you add fluid, you should be able to see the level through this housing. So we'll start adding the brake fluid. And make sure it doesn't go over the maximum mark on the brake fluid reservoir.